gonna put a new wheel bearing in the 240 because when I did the control arms, I noticed that that's pretty bad. So I got a new wheel bearing right here. Oh, it's all packaged up. Forget about that. So I put mine on a lift. Obviously, a lot of people don't have a lift, but I'm gonna take my wheel off and I'll show you what else to do. Alright, so then you want to take your caliper off. I have Z32 calipers, but mine are 19mm bolts back here, just to get that off. Alright, so once you get your caliper off, you can just hang it off to the side. I have these caliper hangers that I got. Take your rotor off, obviously like you see right there. And take this little dust cap off, and there's I think it's a 32mm nut behind there that you have to take off. Alright, so I just got a screwdriver in the side of here, like this. Hit it with a hammer to get this out because it didn't want to come out too easy. So let's pop this out. There's the nut I'm talking about. Alright, make sure you get your washer out of here too. Oh, there it goes. Then, hopefully, yeah, slides right off, just like that. Alright, just clean this off a little bit. Oh yeah. Alright, got the new one right here. So slide the new one on. Just like that. Where'd it go? Oh yeah. Throw this thing back in here. Oh, how's it go? Oh, I guess it don't matter. Alright, so as I was editing this video, I realized I said that this washer didn't have to go a certain way, which is completely wrong. You see on the spindle here how it has a flat spot here and a flat spot right here. And then if you look at this washer slash collar, it has a flat spot here, a flat spot here. Well, those flat spots are supposed to line up with each other and lock this into place. Well, I put it something like that when I put it on, which kind of messed it up a little bit, but I think I can still use it. So don't do what I did. Put it on the right way the first time. Just wanted to throw that in there because I realized I did that wrong while I was editing this. Anyway, continue watching. Throw that back in there. Make sure it's all the way on. Take your nut, put it on. Oh. And then tighten to spec. Maybe one more. All tight. Alright, then you just gotta throw all your stuff back on. Alright, make sure you hit in the sides of your nut too so it doesn't back itself off. And that's how you install a front wheel bearing and hub assembly on a S14.